came across this show the other day, and I never saw it before. I was doing stuff, and I just wanted to have the TV on in the background, as background news. I came across this show, Bar Rescue.
Yeah.
You ever see that?
I have. I love that show.
Oh my goodness! I got sucked into the show. I'm like.
It's funny. I like watching it because I actually just think it's funny. It's great.
Get started fulfilling your dreams. Earn a degree certificate with
I've looked up bars after they've done them. Most don't.
They don't continue.
No, because they change back. They go right back into
They're all habits.
Yeah.
That's a hard thing as a business owner is changing habits and
accepting that you're not always right.
So last time we were finding a right side atlas, T5, and a right sacrum, and he feels better. He's got more spring to his sacrum.
It's a mega multi for men who know what they want, and it's not kale. Visit GNC or
He's
click
got
on the banner to get all your wellness essentials starting at $9.99.
Spring to his spinal.
George Bentley here. Being on the go is a big part of my life.
Now they might fuss because they have no other way to communicate.
Energy on the go. For me, it's 5-hour energy.
There's a stranger doing weird things to him.
And it tastes good.
And they don't always like being in this position for long periods of time. They like to do their thing.
5-hour energy. Energy on the go. For more information, visit 5hourenergy.com.
Alright, Mr. Matthew, we're going to just do a little push here in your sacrum. Good job.
Am I the only person who didn't know Chick-fil-A had mac and cheese? Holy game changer. Thanks for spreading the word, Meredith. Try the mac and cheese yourself at your local Chick-fil-A.
A little tiny.
Chick-fil-A gets paid for the customer.
Okay. Hold on, Mr. Matthew. And then we're going to bring Mr. Drooler over here. Put him on his back.
Serious.
You're a drooler, huh? But you're a cutie. You're a big dude for Mom, I'm telling you.
Tell me about it. It's a workout every day.
She has less muscle spasm and tension on his right neck. A lot less than he did last time. I mean, he's got a little bit to go. It was only one adjustment. But you did really well for one time. You did. And you could celebrate with a smile.
Oh, yeah?
Let's see those beautiful blue eyes.
Don't know where he got those either.
Hi, Mr. Handsome Man. I'm just going to move your head around a little bit, okay? And you're going to maybe cry and help me or something, but hang in there. You're doing great so far. Yeah, that's what I say. Mm-hmm. So this is where you might get a little upset at me when I start just pushing on his muscle a little bit. So hang in there.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah?
I heard a little A-E-I-O-U in there somewhere.
Yeah.
I know you're doing really well because this might not feel too good.
Oh, but I bet you know it's good for you. Yeah.
So this handsome man came in with torticollis he had it for how long? Since he was 3 months.
Yeah, since he's
3 months, he's now 7 months.
Yeah.
And he's been in therapy for 2 months?
2 months.
Whoa. Whoa, bucking cowboy. I tell you what, you're a model for other kids because you're doing awesome.
He is. He's doing fantastic.
I see you. I'm upside down. Alrighty. I tell you, you're doing awesome.
What?
I'm gonna have mommy pick you up as I hold your head. I'm gonna take a look at this little guy. So how are we doing there, Mr. Man? Let's see. Let's see.
Alright.
I think his head is a little
Straight.
straighter.
I think so too.
You're getting there,
Well,
little by little.
you like this too? Yeah.
He definitely likes it.
How did he sleep though? Did he sleep after his first adjustment? Or was he left here a little upset?
Yeah, we went to a birthday party after, and then he slept for hours afterwards. It was great. I did too.
All right, I'm going to end this video.
Yes.